Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Closing the HP printer tray extender is a simple task that keeps your printer looking neat and saves space. This part holds your printed pages so they do not fall on the floor. Most HP OfficeJet and Envy models have this feature. First, look at the front of your printer where the paper comes out. You will see a plastic arm sticking out. This is the tray extender. To close it, you must first clear any paper from the tray. Grab the very end of the extender. Gently push it back toward the printer. It should slide smoothly into the main output tray. Sometimes, there is a small flip-up piece at the very tip. If yours has this, fold that little piece down flat first. Once it is flat, push the whole arm inside. Do not use too much force. If it feels stuck, check for any paper scraps or dust blocking the path. If your model has a rotating extender, turn it clockwise or counterclockwise until it aligns with the slot. Then, push it in until it clicks or sits flush with the machine. Closing this piece helps prevent it from getting bumped or broken when the printer is not in use. It also makes the printer more compact for storage or moving. Keeping the tray closed protects the internal parts from dust buildup over time. Now your printer is tucked away and ready for next time. Just remember to pull it back out before your next big print job starts. This simple habit keeps your workspace organized and your printer safe from accidental damage.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.